Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add cartoon effect to video in Kdenlive. So if you want to use this effect, you need to open your project, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. Then you need to select your video which you want to edit, and you need to go to Effects tab. After that, on the search field, we need to type cartoon. It is very important to type this word because then you will be able to find this option in stylized settings. So now I need to drag and drop cartoon option to the video, and now it will be successfully added to the clip. How you see here, we can check the preview of this effect. I recommend you to adjust these effect settings in the Effect Composition Stack tab. So for example, you can modify the level of the trip, or you can increase or decrease this value. Everything depends of the final result. And you can modify the difference space. If you increase this value, it will be more intensive. Yeah, so I recommend you to adjust these settings really well. So for example, I will decrease this value maybe to this one. And now if I want to check the effect, I need to click on the play button, and how you see, it looks really great in my opinion. So if I helped you to add cartoon effect to video in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.